Today's card is relatively self-explanatory, but there's a couple of little things that you need to know before you start making it, which will make it a lot easier for you. The first thing is that this front panel, the black piece in my particular case, has to be decorated before you do anything else, because if you don't do it then, it's going to make it far harder for you. So I have stamped, glittered, embossed, and also used a jelly roll pen for little sparkly bits on it as well. And I've just gone ahead and gone to town on it. Now it's up to you, you can do this before you cut it out or you can do it after. I prefer to do it after because then I have more control over the placements of the various bits that I've put on. The other thing is, when you cut this piece out, you must remember to keep these pieces because you will need them. Now this is backed with acetate first of all, so I decorated this, put acetate on the back, and then I put these pieces in place. Then what I did was I took my foam piece, which I cut out with a slight interior offset, and I've placed the foam pieces here and here, but the rest of it goes out to the edge. But this foam piece is ever so slightly smaller than the outside of the card because you want it that way for ease of use. Now, what I need to do now is to put some elements in here. I think it has enough glittery bits on it now, so I'm just making sure I don't have any over my sticky tape, as well as I can at least. And I'm going to remove the tape backing. I decided in the end to go with a gold coloured backing card. So in a moment we'll see how that looks. Right, now I have some gaps in my sticky tape, so what I'm going to do is to take my smaller double-sided tape reel and just fill in any gaps that will otherwise allow bits to come out of the card. And this is my gold card, and I have cut it to a width that will fit. Press down firmly. So now I have my shaker element. And I think that's quite pretty. That'll do nicely. So all I need to do now is to put it onto my base card. Now I have stamped a sentiment in here already, and so I can get my double-sided tape and put that on there quite easily, and then that'll be finished. So I have my double-sided tape on there. Make sure the card is up the correct way. You don't want to put it on upside down. And then you can place these pieces together and press down. And there we have one finished card, and I have someone in particular in mind for this one. Thanks very much for watching. Take care now. Bye bye.